Hi friends, today we're going to be making broccoli salad. It has a variety of fruits and vegetables that you can find at Maryland farmers markets in October, so they would be considered in season. Let's take a look at the recipe. Before we start, we need to ensure that our work area and hands are clean. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Now let's take a look at the materials that we need for today. You will need a knife, a peeler, a grater, a large bowl, measuring cups and spoons, a large spoon, and a whisk. And now for our ingredients. You will need 2 cups broccoli, 2 cups cauliflower, 3/4 cup red grapes, 2 large carrots, a half a cup of sunflower seeds, a half a cup of low-fat mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 3 tablespoons sugar. Now let's follow our recipe. The first step is to wash all of our produce. Next, we'll chop the broccoli and cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. We will also peel and grate our carrots. Our grapes also get sliced in half. Next, we will mix our mayonnaise, vinegar, and sugar in a large bowl. Add the broccoli, cauliflower, grapes, carrots, and sunflower seeds to the mayonnaise mixture in the bowl and toss to coat evenly. Look at our delicious broccoli salad. You can enjoy this as a side dish or as a snack. Make it your own and change it up to match your taste and preferences, or what you have on hand. Enjoy!